bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be ticking off one of the items on my wish list item for 2022. So if you're interested to know which item I'm ticking off that list, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. I make videos such as hauls, unboxings, reviews, updated reviews of some contemporary as well as luxury items. So if you're into that kind of topic, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. And if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below, as it will help the algorithms of my channel. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I do post some of these items with my outfit of the day, or at least how I wear them on a daily basis. And lastly, for my returning subscribers, hi guys, thank you very much for always tuning in and for your support since the beginning. Okay, so before I start by showing you the item that I'm going to take off from my wish list item 2022, I just want to let you know that I have put some chapters throughout the video, so you can check all those details in the description down below. You can go straight ahead to one chapter to another, and I'm also going to put a card just right there where I have uploaded the wish list video, so you have an idea what were the items on that video. And yeah, let's get on to the unboxing. Okay, so it won't be a big surprise if I show you, when I show you the box itself. I think you will immediately know which item it is, and it's actually from I don't know if you have managed to recognize it, but this is a box from Maison Margiela. So yeah, it's a Margiela item. So if you have checked my wish list item for 2022, I think you would have an idea what is this Margiela item. So I'm just going to unbox it. So it's like that. It has these two protective sleeves, so I guess you have an idea what type of item it is. If not, I'm just going to continue unboxing it and reveal to you what the item is. And it's actually a pair of Tabi boots. Wait, I'm just going to show you the second pair. So that's how it looks like. So as you can see, so nothing more inside. Just going to close it. So like as you have seen, came in a white box with all the details of Maison Margiela and the number 22 encircled. And then this is how the ankle boots looks like. And what I like about it is that it came with some protective sleeves or something like that. So if I travel, I can put it like that. It's weird, but yeah, that's how I think it's just to protect the sole if it's dirty, and then I can put it in my luggage. So that's how it looks like. So yeah, so this was the item that I am ticking off on my wish list. So the Maison Margiela Maison Margiela Tabi Ankle Boots. Okay, so now that I have shown you the item itself, I'm just going to give you some specs, price of the item itself. So this is the, like I've mentioned, Tabi boots, ankle Tabi boots from Maison Margiela, and this currently retails on the Margiela website for around 950 euros, but you can find a lot cheaper. For example, where I bought it, it was at Essence and it was 850 euros. You can also find it on Farfetch and some other third-party online store. So what I advise is check them out there first if you can find something a lot cheaper. And also sometimes on the third-party website, you can also have some discounts in addition, so it will be a lot less than 850 euros, for example. So yeah, so those are the retail prices. And concerning the specs, so just going to show you, this is the ankle high grained camel leather boots in the color black, and it has a signature white stitching heel at heel color. So I don't know if you can see, that is the signature of Margiela. And as you can see, the second signature of the Margiela boots is this cleft toe in front. And I'll let you know afterwards why I purchased this, and specifically this type of boots. And then on the side, you have the hook eye closure at inner side, and then it's a buffed lambskin lining. It has a stacked cylindrical block heel, as you can see here, and then the leather sole is in beige, and the heel for this specific boot is 1.25 inches. Just to let you know concerning the composition, like I've mentioned, the upper part is 100% lambskin leather, and then the lining, the inside and the sole, it's 100% calf leather. And then this, as you can see, I'm going to show you here at the bottom. I hope that you may be able to see it. This is made in Italy, and I have the size 36. So yeah, there you have it. So those are the specs and price of the Margiela Tabi Ankle Boots. Okay, so now the reason why I chose this specific boots from Margiela. First and foremost, I opted for the 1.5 inch of heel. It's because I don't want it to be those 3 centimeters or 6 centimeters or 8 centimeters high heels, so that I can easily use it, you know, casually or even formal style. So that's why I opted for this. And normally, since I have a back pain, the ideal is this kind of height. More than this, it will be hard for me to walk, and then very flat, it's not good as well. So that's why I opted for this height. And then secondly, why, and that's the very main reason why I opted for this specific shoe with the cleft toe, the signature of Margiela's boots. It's because I have those, you know, on your toe, your big toe that is going inside like that. I will not show you the image, but it's not really nice. Apparently this helps. So this signature was inspired by the traditional 15th century Japanese sock bearing the same name. So yeah, it's really if you check out Japanese styles, you know, shoes or even slippers, it's always, you know, the big toe separated from the other toes. And during summer, I also tend to use slippers like that. I think a lot of Asians do wear that kind of slippers, so I'm used to that kind of daily slippers. And I was like, you know what, this is a good idea, especially for my feet condition. I think this will help in a way so that I won't have, you know, more problems with my feet. So yeah, that is also that's the main reason why I opted and I wanted to try this. I hope that this will help. I will let you know. And yeah, so though the third reason why I opted for the black one is that I wanted to try this first in a neutral color. I think for this height of heel, it only exists in white, so only in two colors. But the one that has, I think, 6 centimeters of, or 8 centimeters of heel, I think it does exist in a lot more colors, so check those out. But for this type specifically, it's only in these two colors. And then what I also like about this specific model is, you know, the way it closes inside. You will not see any zipper or any button. It's very subtle. And then the signature is only, yeah, that white lining and the cleft toe. So I think it's quite original. And like I've mentioned, I opted for the black one because I want to try it first to stay very, you know, neutral, so that I can wear it with jeans or with pants or even with dresses, as well as skirts. So I will try to show you on some post on my Instagram how I will try to wear it with those kind of clothes. So be sure to follow me on Instagram so you have an idea how it will looks like. So yeah, those are the reasons why I have opted for the Margiela Tabi Ankle Boots. So for the wear and tear and pros and cons, I will let you know in an updated review in the future what will be the pros and cons, as well as the wear and tear. I think the first wear and tear will be, you know, the sole. I will not put any protection, so it means that the leather sole will immediately, you know, be scuffed. But I always do that with all of my shoes anyways. Afterwards, if I want to protect it, I just have to bring this to the cobbler and then they will put protection. But I don't want to put it up front. And then I think that is the only wear, the very big wear that will happen with these boots. As for the pros and cons, like I've mentioned earlier, I think for me the pros will be the cleft toe. Yeah, that will be the cleft toe, split toe. That will really, I suppose, will help my feet. I hope so. But for the cons, I think the only con that I have, I think about right now without even using it, is that I will need a specific socks. You know, I think Margiela also sell that kind of socks, or you know, that has the same design, separate of the big toe and then the small toes, or even I have to buy, you know, those socks that has the separate for each toe. So I have to buy those specifically to be able to put this. Or because I have tried it at a boutique, I have tried it with just a normal socks and it was okay as well. So yeah, I will let you know if the normal socks will be sufficient. If not, I will also let you know if I had to buy those specific socks for me to be able to wear it. But yeah, those are just the first, I mean, wear and tear as well as pros and cons that I can think of right now without using the boots. But anyways, like I've mentioned, I will let you know once I will wear them during this fall/winter season, and we'll give you a updated review feedback about them. So be sure to click the notification bell so you will be updated of the upcoming videos that I'll be posting. So my final thoughts, about this purchase is that I'm very happy that I have been able to tick off one of the items on my wish list items for 2022. So that's also a good thing, because I'm really just, you know, being careful for what I buy. At least I try to. So I can take that off from that list. And yeah, I'm very excited and I cannot wait to wear them, style them, and let you know what I think about them. So I hope that this video has in a certain way entertained you or helped you, especially for those who were like me, kind of like debating before I purchased this. I've watched different videos. Unfortunately, there aren't a lot, but that's why I'm filming this one, so that hopefully it will help some of you who are in the same situation like I was before. So yeah, if you have any thoughts or any feedback, advices, don't hesitate to put your comment in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, so it will help the algorithms of my channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video. So until then, take care. Bye.